Hey everyone, this is the moment we all been waiting for. How to make elephant turn, U-turn, however you want to call it, the cool way. First we start with body position. You have to know the basics from riding an adventure bike. When you do an elephant turn, most of the time you're standing on the bike. And when you stand on the bike, I don't mean like standing like this. Main brake is the rear brake because you want to slide your rear wheel, and you use your front brake to manage the speed. So when you're braking, weight to the back, make sure your legs are straight and your hips are to the back, brake, slip turn, and then make your elephant turn. When you're turning the bike, you move your position to the front, that your rear is light, you can drift out and go away. We will practice a couple of things first. First we're going to slip in, using the rear brake and managing the speed with the front brake. Alright, I already have it in Enduro Pro mode, by the 1300. You can put the traction control off, very easy. First, we're going to slip the rear wheel. So you slip with your rear wheel and you make the bike stop with your front brake. When you know how to do that, you can practice to slide your rear wheel. And how you do that is just get your legs stuck to the bike and turn your hip a little bit out. Your inner arm is straight and your outer arm is always elbow up. This is step one. Don't make a U-turn straight away. First, practice your slip. Slip in, put your foot down, take a rest, and then ride away. Try that a couple times. Okay, and go. So we did a couple slips in to the left side. Is it left? Yeah, there's left. Now we're gonna try a couple ones to the right side. For most of the people it's a bit more difficult because your brake is also on the right side. Let's give it a try. Make sure your elbows are a bit up, your weight to the back. You have to be the boss of the bike. See how it goes. Slip in, put your foot down, and go away. Let's do it again. Slip in, put your foot down, yes, and go away. When the braking goes well, we can do two things. Put your foot down, drift out, or leave your feet up and then drift out. First, we're going to do a couple ones, putting the foot down and drifting out. So when you take your foot off the brake, you can give throttle and go out. Not too much throttle, just a little bit. Lose your clutch and drift out. Put your foot down. Go away. The further you slide in, the easier it is to get out. When you do this, just try to ride away. Put your foot down, look where you want to go. It's getting more difficult all the time. When you do it in the same place, you will get ruts and your bike is not slipping in that easy anymore. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully this is a startup for you to try some U-turns or elephant turn. This was the first video, so when you have some tips and tricks for me to make the next video better, put it in the comments. And which trick do you want to see the next time? Don't forget to subscribe.